The brain is one of the most important organs in the human body, and it requires the best fuel to function properly. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 superfoods that are very good for the brain. They will help improve your memory, focus, and brain performance. So make sure you watch until the end to find out the last one. Also, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. At number 10, we have blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most nutrient-dense fruits on the planet. They are packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can help protect your brain from damage. One study found that eating blueberries regularly can help improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your brain from damage, while fiber helps to keep your blood sugar levels stable, which is important for optimal brain function. Blueberries also contain compounds known as anthocyanins, which are responsible for their blue color. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that can help protect your brain from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to disease. By protecting your brain from free radical damage, anthocyanins may help reduce your risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. At No. 9, we have walnuts. Walnuts are a type of tree nut that is native to the Middle East and Central Asia. They are often used in salads or eaten as a snack. Walnuts are a good source of several nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B6, vitamin E, copper, and manganese. Walnuts are also a good source of polyphenols, which are plant-based compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One study found that eating walnuts regularly can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Another study found that eating walnuts can help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is associated with many neurodegenerative diseases. Walnuts also contain melatonin, which is a hormone that helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. Eating walnuts regularly may help improve sleep quality, which is important for overall brain health. Next up at No. 8, we have almonds. Almonds are a type of tree nut that is widely consumed around the world. They're often eaten as a snack or used in recipes. Almonds are a good source of several important nutrients, including vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Almonds also contain polyphenols, which are plant-based compounds that have been shown to have beneficial effects on brain health. One study found that eating almonds regularly can help improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. Another study found that almonds can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Almonds also contain L-tryptophan, which is an amino acid that is used to make serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. Eating almonds regularly may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Halfway through the list, and at number 7, we have dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a type of chocolate that contains a high percentage of cocoa solids. It has a rich, intense flavor and is often used in desserts and other sweet treats. Dark chocolate is a good source of several nutrients, including iron, magnesium, and copper. Dark chocolate also contains flavonoids, which are plant-based compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One study found that eating dark chocolate regularly can help improve blood flow to the brain, which is important for optimal brain function. Another study found that dark chocolate can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Dark chocolate also contains caffeine, which is a stimulant that can help improve alertness and focus. However, it's important not to consume too much caffeine, as it can cause anxiety and other problems. At No. 6, we have spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is a member of the cruciferous family. It is often used in salads or as a side dish. Spinach is a good source of several important nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, and magnesium. Spinach also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids that are important for eye health. One study found that eating spinach regularly can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Another study found that spinach can help reduce the risk of developing age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Spinach also contains nitrates, which are compounds that can help improve blood flow to the brain. Next up at number 5, we have salmon. Salmon is a type of fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are important for brain health and have been linked with improved cognitive function and memory. In addition to omega-3 south, salmon is also a good source of protein, vitamin D, and B vitamins, all of which are important for brain health. One study found that eating salmon regularly can help improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. Another study found that salmon can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your brain from damage. At No. 4, we have avocado. Avocado is a fruit that is high in monounsaturated fats, which are a type of healthy fat that can help improve blood flow to the brain. In addition to its healthy fat content, avocado is also a good source of several other important nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. One study found that eating avocado regularly can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Another study found that avocado can help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is associated with many neurodegenerative diseases. Avocado also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids that are important for eye health. Coming to the top 3, at No. 3, we have broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in vitamin C and K. These vitamins are important for brain health and have been linked with improved cognitive function and memory. In addition to its vitamin content, broccoli is also a good source of fiber, folate, and antioxidants. One study found that eating broccoli regularly can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Another study found that broccoli can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, which is a compound that has been shown to have neuroprotective effects. Sulforaphane may help reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Next up at number 2, we have pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a type of nut that is often eaten as a snack or used in recipes. They are a good source of several important nutrients, including magnesium, zinc, and vitamin K. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, which is an amino acid that is used to make serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. One study found that eating pumpkin seeds regularly can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Another study found that pumpkin seeds can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Pumpkin seeds also contain phytosterols, which are compounds that have been shown to have neuroprotective effects. Phytosterols may help reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. And finally, at No. 1, we have turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is often used in Indian cuisine. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine. Turmeric is a good source of several important nutrients, including vitamin C, iron, and potassium. Turmeric also contains curcumin, which is a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. One study found that eating turmeric regularly can help improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy adults. Another study found that turmeric can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric also contains brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a protein that helps support the growth and development of brain cells. BDNF has been shown to play an important role in the prevention and treatment of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. And there you have it, our top 10 superfoods for brain power. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help improve your memory, focus, and overall brain health. Remember to eat a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Morning foods that sharpen your memory. Best things to eat for breakfast: oats, eggs, nuts, fruits. Tips to stay focused and energetic throughout the day. This is an especially important topic for kids and students. Make sure to share this video with other parents and students. Let's get started. A healthy morning starts with a nutritious breakfast. And did you know that your morning meal can actually sharpen your memory? Yes, believe it or not, certain foods can improve your brain function and memory, helping you focus better on studying or work. And guess what? It's never too early to teach these healthy habits to our kids. Stick around and let us discover the best things to eat for breakfast that will fuel your child's brain and set them up for a successful day of learning. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and share with friends and family. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Oats. When it comes to boosting your memory, oats are a real powerhouse. They contain something called avenanthramides, which are natural compounds found only in oats that have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain. This means that your child's brain gets more oxygen and nutrients, which is essential for optimal function. Plus, oats are high in fiber, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and keeping your child focused for longer periods. To make oats more fun for kids, try making colorful oat bowls with fruits and nuts, or even creating cute shapes using cookie cutters. You can also involve your child in the cooking process, letting them measure ingredients or pour liquids to make it more engaging and exciting. Remember, a little creativity can go a long way in making healthy food appealing to kids. No. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a true multitasker when it comes to supporting your child's memory. They are packed with choline, which is a nutrient that plays a vital role in the development and maintenance of your child's brain. Choline also aids in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is responsible for memory, learning, and attention. In addition to their brain-boosting properties, eggs are also a great source of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and vitamins such as biotin, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. These nutrients play important roles in brain function, energy production, and cell protection. To make eggs more exciting for kids, try making fun shapes using egg molds, or letting them decorate their own plate with egg art. You can also involve your child in the cooking process by asking them to crack the eggs or help with preparing the toppings. By making mealtime enjoyable, you can encourage your child to eat a balanced breakfast that supports their cognitive development. 3. Nuts. Nuts are nature's multivitamin for your child's brain health. They are packed with essential nutrients that support optimal brain function and memory. One of the key benefits of nuts is their high content of healthy fats, which are crucial for brain development and cognitive function. These fats help support the structure and integrity of brain cells, ensuring that they can communicate with each other effectively. In addition to their healthy fat content, nuts also provide a good source of protein, fiber, and an array of vitamins and minerals. For example, almonds are rich in vitamin E. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, and cashews are a great source of magnesium. These nutrients play important roles in brain function, energy production, and cell protection. To make nuts more kid-friendly, try serving them as nut butter, which can be spread on toast or used as a dip for fruits and vegetables. You can also create fun snacks by mixing nuts with dried fruits or pretzels and letting your child create their own trail mix. By incorporating nuts into your child's diet in a fun and engaging way, you can provide them with the essential nutrients they need to support their brain health and academic success. For fruits. Let us talk about the power of fruits when it comes to supporting your child's memory and brain health. Fruits are nature's candy, and they come in a wide variety of delicious flavors and vibrant colors, making them an exciting addition to any breakfast. But beyond their taste and appearance, fruits are packed with essential nutrients that can make a real difference in your child's cognitive development and academic performance. One of the key benefits of fruits is their high content of antioxidants, which are substances that protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease, so it's important to find ways to neutralize them. Fruits such as blueberries, strawberries, and oranges are particularly rich in antioxidants, making them a great choice for protecting your child's brain. In addition to their antioxidant properties, fruits also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For example, bananas are a great source of potassium, which supports proper brain function. And citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy blood vessels in the brain. To make fruits more appealing to kids, try offering them a variety of options and getting them involved in the preparation process. You can let them choose their favorite fruits at the grocery store, or involve them in washing and cutting fruits for snacks or smoothies. By making fruits a fun and engaging part of your child's diet, you can ensure that they get the nutrients they need to support their cognitive development and overall well-being. Here are some additional tips to keep your kids focused and energetic throughout the day. Start with a healthy breakfast that includes a combination of oats, eggs, nuts, and fruits. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to support brain function, memory, and sustained energy levels. Encourage regular physical activity as exercise improves blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance and attention. Make sure your child gets enough sleep, as sleep deprivation can impair memory and concentration. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night for children and adolescents. Limit distractions such as television and mobile devices during study time, as they can interfere with focus and attention. Create a quiet and organized study space to minimize distractions and promote concentration. Teach your child effective study strategies such as active recall and spaced repetition, which can enhance memory retention and learning. Provide a supportive and encouraging environment that values effort and celebrates achievements, which can boost motivation and academic engagement. Monitor your child's progress and provide guidance and support as needed. Stay involved in their education and communicate with teachers to address any academic or behavioral concerns. By implementing these strategies and fostering a supportive environment, you can help your child develop the necessary skills and habits to achieve academic success, while maintaining optimal brain health and cognitive function. What's the best drink for your brain? Some drinks may boost your brain power, while others will keep you mentally alert. If you want to maximize brain function, then you need to be mindful of what you drink. So let's explore some drinks that can potentially improve brain function. No. 1. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its numerous health benefits. In fact, it's one of the most popular beverages in the world. But what makes green tea so beneficial for our bodies and brains? Well, it all boils down to its unique composition. Green tea contains a high concentration of polyphenols, natural compounds that are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. These properties help to protect our neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that contribute to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Not only that, but green tea also contains caffeine, which can help to improve cognitive performance, including memory, attention, and reaction time. Studies have shown that drinking just 1 cup of green tea per day can significantly reduce the risk of developing dementia and cognitive decline. Additionally, green tea has been linked with improved mental clarity and focus. Due to its ability to increase the levels of alpha brainwaves are associated with a state of relaxed alertness, making it easier to concentrate on the task at hand. Overall, green tea is an excellent choice for anyone looking to support their brain health and cognitive function. And the best part is that it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just make sure to avoid adding too much sugar or other sweeteners to your tea, as this can counteract the beneficial effects. Instead, you can sweeten your green tea naturally by adding a few drops of stevia berry flavored drops or a splash of lemon juice. No. 2. Coffee. Coffee is another popular beverage that many people rely on to get their day started and keep them going. Similar to green tea, coffee contains caffeine, which can help to improve cognitive function, alertness, and motivation. However, it's important to note that the effects of coffee on the brain can vary depending on several factors, including the amount of caffeine consumed, individual tolerance levels, and brewing methods. Studies have found that moderate coffee consumption, typically 2 to 3 cups per day, can enhance cognitive performance and mood. Caffeine in coffee blocks the effects of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep and reduces arousal. This leads to increased levels of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward in the brain, which can result in improved motivation and focus. Additionally, coffee contains other compounds, such as polyphenols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. However, it's essential not to overdo it with coffee consumption. Excessive intake of caffeine has been linked to anxiety, insomnia, and other adverse effects. It's generally recommended to limit coffee intake to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, which is about the amount in 4 cups of brewed coffee. For individuals who are sensitive to caffeine, it's advisable to consume it in moderation and avoid consuming it late in the day to prevent sleep disturbances. Personally, I find that drinking between 1 to 2 cups of black coffee each morning helps me to wake up and become more alert. I usually do not drink any coffee after lunch, so that it doesn't interfere with my sleep at night. No. 3. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a traditional Ayurvedic remedy that has been used for centuries to promote overall health and well-being. This vibrant yellow drink is made by simmering turmeric. a bright yellow spice with potent anti-inflammatory properties in milk, which provides a rich source of calcium and vitamin D. The combination of these two ingredients creates a powerful synergy that can help to support brain function and cognitive performance. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can help to improve memory, learning, and brain function. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help to protect the brain from damage caused by oxidative stress and neurotoxicity. Meanwhile, milk provides essential nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for maintaining healthy brain function. Calcium is involved in many important processes in the brain, including neurotransmission and synaptic plasticity, while vitamin D plays a role in regulating brain development and function. When consumed together, turmeric and milk can create a synergistic effect that enhances brain function and cognitive performance. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, for example, found that curcumin-rich milk improved spatial memory and anxiety in rats. Another study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that curcumin supplementation improved cognitive performance and reduced amyloid burden in patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. To reap the benefits of turmeric milk for brain function, it's important to consume it in moderation. While turmeric is generally safe for consumption, excessive amounts can cause gastrointestinal discomfort or other side effects. It's also important to note that the bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is relatively low when consumed in food. However, adding black pepper or a pinch of salt can help to increase its bioavailability. Number 4, fruit smoothies. Fruit smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to get your daily intake of fruits and vegetables, which are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. When it comes to brain health specifically, fruit smoothies can be a valuable addition to your diet. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables play a crucial role in protecting the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. For example, blueberries and strawberries contain high levels of flavonoids, which are antioxidants that have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which can help to boost brain function and improve mood. Additionally, bananas and avocados contain potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper brain function and preventing strokes. By blending these fruits with yogurt or milk, you can create a smoothie that provides a good source of protein and healthy fats, which are also important for brain health. Protein is essential for the growth and repair of brain tissue, while healthy fats like those found in avocados can help to improve cognitive function and protect against brain diseases. When preparing fruit smoothies for optimal brain health benefits, it's important to choose a variety of fruits and vegetables with different colors and flavors. This will ensure that you get a wide range of nutrients and antioxidants that can help to support brain function. Additionally, it's important to use fresh, quality ingredients and avoid adding too much sugar or artificial sweeteners to your smoothie. You can naturally sweeten your smoothie by using ripe fruits or a small amount of honey. By following these tips, you can create a delicious and nutritious fruit smoothie that supports overall health and brain function. Now let's talk about drinks that are harmful for brain health. Excessive consumption of sugary drinks such as soda and fruit juices can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are risk factors for cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Moreover, the high levels of caffeine in energy drinks can cause anxiety, insomnia, and other adverse effects that can negatively impact brain function. Alcohol consumption can also have detrimental effects on brain health, leading to cognitive impairment, memory loss, and an increased risk of dementia. To maintain optimal brain function, it's important to limit the intake of sugary, caffeinated, and alcoholic beverages, and instead opt for healthier alternatives such as water, green tea, or fruit smoothies. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal brain function, as even mild dehydration can lead to decreased cognitive performance, including problems with memory, attention, and concentration. To recap, here are some drinks that are beneficial for brain function: green tea, coffee, turmeric milk, and fruit smoothies. On the other hand, here are some drinks that should be avoided or consumed in moderation: sugary drinks, energy drinks, alcohol. Remember that everyone's body is unique, and individual results may vary. It's also important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Your brain is the most important organ in your body, and it needs good food to function at its best. Today, I'm going to share with you what brain foods, according to science, will help increase your memory, your concentration, and your mental performance. So let's dive right in. Hey there, I'm a naturopathic doctor. Let's talk about some brain foods that are supported by science to help optimize your cognitive function, your mood, and your mental clarity. The first category of brain foods that are supported by science to be beneficial for your brain health are foods high in omega-3 fatty acids. The two types of omega-3 fatty acids that we need to consume, because our bodies couldn't make them, are DHA and EPA, which are found in fatty cold water fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. The other type of omega-3 fatty acid is ALA, which is found in plant-based foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. ALA has to be converted into the active forms of omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, and this conversion is not very efficient. So it's much better to get your DHA and EPA from fish or fish oils. Omega-3 fatty acids are an essential part of your brain cell membranes. They help with the communication between your brain cells. And they are also important for brain development in fetuses and young children. People who eat more omega-3 rich foods have a lower risk of developing depression, anxiety, and dementia. There was a meta-analysis published in 2019 that included over 17,000 people that looked at the relationship between omega-3 intake and depression. They found that increasing the intake of combined EPA and DHA by 1.6 grams per day was associated with a reduction in depression by 20%. Now, this is a nice supplement to what I recommend, which is that you try to eat 2 servings of fish per week, one of which would be a fatty fish. If you don't like fish, then you can take a high-quality fish oil supplement. Or if you do like fish but you can't tolerate it because of the mercury levels, then you can also take a microalgae-based omega-3 supplement, which provides those active forms of omega-3 fatty acids without any of the contaminants that might be in the fish oil. The next category of brain foods that are backed by science are antioxidant-rich foods. Your brain is very vulnerable to oxidative stress because it has a lot of neurons and it uses a lot of energy. The best way to protect your brain against oxidative damage is to consume foods that are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that neutralize harmful free radicals that cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Free radicals can damage DNA, your cell membranes, and your proteins. And chronic inflammation is a risk factor for many diseases, including cancer and heart disease. In addition, free radical damage and chronic inflammation are also risk factors for cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, you can decrease the amount of free radicals in your body by reducing the amount of processed foods and refined sugars that you consume. And you can increase your antioxidant capacity by consuming antioxidant-rich foods. Some examples of foods that are very high in antioxidants are berries, dark chocolate, green veggies, nuts, and seeds. A study published in 2020 in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery and Psychiatry showed that eating a diet high in flavonoid, acute antioxidants like the ones found in berries and dark chocolate was associated with a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Another study published in the same year in the journal Nutritionists showed that eating a diet high in vegetables was associated with better executive function, attention, and working memory. Let us now talk about some foods that have been shown to increase mental performance according to scientific research. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Also helps to support healthy blood flow in the brain. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can improve memory and cognition in both animals and humans. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that sulforaphane improved the memory and learning ability of mice with Alzheimer's disease. Another study published in the journal Molecular Neurobiology showed that sulforaphane improved the memory and attention of healthy adults. Keep in mind that you need to consume about 1.5 cups of raw broccoli to get the equivalent of 10 milligrams of sulforaphane. So if you want to get the benefits of sulforaphane, it's probably a good idea to include more cruciferous vegetables in your diet, such as kale, cabbage, and cauliflower. But keep in mind, these vegetables don't contain the same concentration of sulforaphane as broccoli does. The next brain-boosting food is turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is commonly used in Indian cuisine. It contains a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve memory and cognition in both animals and humans. One study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that curcumin improved the memory and learning ability of mice with Alzheimer's disease. Another study published in the journal Aging showed that curcumin improved the memory and attention of healthy adults. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body, so it's best to take it in a supplement form. Look for a supplement that contains at least 2,000 milligrams of curcumin. The third brain-boosting food is coffee. Coffee is a popular beverage that is enjoyed by millions of people all over the world. It contains a compound called caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can improve alertness and cognitive performance. Studies have shown that moderate coffee consumption can improve memory and cognition in both animals and humans. One study published in the journal PLOS Medicine showed that moderate coffee consumption was associated with a lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease. Another study published in the journal BMJ in 2017 showed that moderate coffee consumption was associated with a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Keep in mind that too much coffee consumption can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other problems. So it's important to consume coffee in moderation, which is considered to be up to 400 milligrams per day, or about 4 cups. The fourth brain-boosting food is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delicious treat that can provide many cognitive benefits. It contains flavonoid compounds that have been shown to improve memory and cognition in both animals and humans. Dark chocolate also contains caffeine, which can improve alertness and cognitive performance. However, dark chocolate is high in calories and fat, so it's important to consume it in moderation. The best dark chocolate that you can buy is at least 70% cacao. The fifth brain-boosting food is avocado. Avocado is a fruit that is high in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve cognitive performance and reduce inflammation in the brain. A study published in the journal Nutrients showed that avocado consumption was associated with improved cognitive performance in healthy adults. The last brain-boosting food is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a type of fat that is found in the Mediterranean diet. It is rich in polyphenols, which are compounds that have been shown to improve cognitive performance and reduce inflammation in the brain. A study published in the journal Clinical Nutrition and Aging showed that extra virgin olive oil consumption was associated with improved cognitive performance in healthy adults. As you can see, there are many different foods that can help to boost your brain power. By including these foods in your diet, you can help improve your cognitive performance, memory, and attention. So go ahead and give them a try. If you want to learn more about how to optimize your nutrition, check out my video on the 10 best vitamins to increase your energy.